What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Straight Out the Fridge. My camera's about to die because in my head I charged it, but I really didn't. I guess that was a dream. That's what I get for vlogging every day this month. I was about to say year. I would lose my mind, throw it away, and then try to look for it blind. But yeah, I had a dream that I charged my camera and that didn't happen. But I just wanted to come on here real quick before I do charge my camera to let y'all know I'm about to jump on board and join and download TikTok on my phone. I am kind of like embarrassed to say that, and I'm nervous because I'm about to embarrass the hell out of myself because I cannot dance and I have no rhythm really. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. But yeah, like, I hope y'all enjoy this Vlogmas video. It's probably gonna be day 21. Yeah, and it's currently 5:56 in the morning. Brandon went to work at 5, so that's why I'm up. But yeah, we're getting TikTok. That's what's happening. So I'll see y'all later. Let's get a little more rest. Beauty sleep, because I need it. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a few. Thought this would be a fun Vlogmas because if you know me, you know me, and I don't dance. If you ever go out, I don't dance unless I'm gone, and that is not really the case usually. But so if you ever saw me dance, congratulations, you have reached my comfort level as a friend. But today I am going to be trying out some TikTok dances. I cannot dance at all. I have no rhythm. I don't want to mention this moment because it's a tough moment for me. But back when I went to homecoming, it was the most dramatic moment of my life. And I tried to dance on my date, and I know I traumatized him for his whole life. I know he's probably going to therapy for that terrible dancing I did on him. Everybody was dancing. I felt peer pressured, you know, so I just tried to grind on him, and then I don't know what happened. But I'm just kidding, but I'm serious at the same time. Like, I can't dance. That did happen, and I feel like embarrassed for it forever. So sorry to him that you had to endure that. You're probably not watching this, but like, if you know who my date was on homecoming, tell him I said I'm sorry. Okay? That was how many years ago? 7 years ago that I went to homecoming. Wow, Camille, you are getting old. When you realize you ain't got your life together, but then you watch Gravy and he tells you everything's okay. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some TikTok dancing, and you never know, I might be a pro dancer by the end of 2020 if I keep up with this. Luna, you gonna do it with me? I know you like the salsa. It is what it is, but we're about to try the hardest one apparently on TikTok, and I tried it a couple times and I suck, so let's go ahead and just get the second out the way. Oh, I am stiff as a brick, y'all. Oh, hold on, I'm not ready. And he's going slow. I'm gonna do this. Okay. She's learning. I need to change because this jacket is not doing it. So, 1 second. Okay, making progress. What is happening? Go back. Making progress. Okay, I need to put some rhythm in this. Okay, loosen up. Okay, y'all, I think I'm getting it. Wait. Stiff as a board. Okay, wait, okay. So he's like, I got it. I don't care what y'all say. It might not look good, but I got the dance down. Now I'm gonna do it. Whoa. Clap. Figure 8 wave. Whoa. Snap up. What? Boom. Boom. Drum it. Dab. Whoa. Get out of my face. I don't wanna smell your breath. Cause I got a big butt. Boom, boom, ah. I'm gonna try it again with him though. See if he'll try to get on my level. Also, I don't know if I said this, but I thought my shirt, the jacket was too much, but I thought the shirt would make me look cooler and like, about to break dance. Look at the back. I think I got it. I think I got it. Last time, that's it. Got it. Y'all, that is it. I am done. I can't even do anymore. I'm stressed. Okay? Like, dancing is hard. Oh my gosh. Especially when you don't have rhythm. What the heck? So like I was saying, that's it for this video. If y'all have anything that y'all think I should try, comment down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That one. A big thumbs up, even though it was cringy, but it was the attempt, so oh well. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that red button wherever it is. Don't forget to hit that bell button where that is too, so you can get post notifications when I post new videos for Vlogmas, okay? But that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.